Hey friends, Melinda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly workouts so that you can stay strong, fit, and fierce with me each and every week. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. In today's total body workout with free weights, we'll be sculpting and targeting the entire body with fat-burning compound movements. Now, I'll be using a set of 5-pound dumbbells all the way up to 10-pound dumbbells. If you want to lessen the resistance or add resistance, that's absolutely fine. Do what works best with your body. If you are loving my workouts, I want you to click that like button below and show me some support. Now let's get ready for our total body workout. All right, guys, we are going to get started in a second position. I have 5-pound weights. You can always increase or lessen the resistance. So we start nice and low in that deep plie. Give me scarecrow arms. Reach the arm overhead, pinching the elbow down into your thigh. Drop the shoulders firmly down the back. So we're warming up the side body here, the obliques, the lower half of the body as well. Everything's working, everything firing out. Reach with energy as you spark energy through those fingertips as they reach high into the ceiling. Continuously draw the shoulders down the back. Reach, feeling that side body crunch here. Exhale. Obliques are starting to feel it already. Reach, up and around. Exhale. Breathe through it. Reach and stretch. Right away, we go into our next exercise. We take a cross curtsy, double pulse into that cross curtsy diagonal. So double pulse in your sumo, reach, diagonal press, down deep curtsy, and extend nice and long. Pulse, so those legs are working hard here, as well as those shoulders. Push. Now reach with energy. All of these movements are nice and elongated. Pull the chest high, reach, elongate, press. Inhale, and then exhale, breathe. So you're reaching into that deep diagonal press. Open those knees nice and wide. Keep those hips square to the front. Press. So finding that beautiful proud chest as you lift through second. Press. One last one. Coming through center, we've got a triple pulse kick. Down, 2, 3, kick, press. Down, 2, 3, kick it across. Down, 2, 3, cross. Body punch with the opposite arm. Flex through your toe tips. Down, 2, 3, press. So I want you flexing those toe tips high into the face. Lower, singles now. Down, press, large range of motion. So I want you to get low as you can go into that lunge. Press, reach, feel the heart rate rise as we get into that quicker tempo. Push, out, extend, lower, lift. One last one. We take it to the opposite side from here. Down, 2, 3, cross body punch. Down, 2, 3, strike it. Down, 2, 3. So you're finding micro pulse down at the bottom. Press lower, 2, 3, push it down, low 90 degrees here. Find that split lunge within the legs. Equal weight distribution. Take it into that single. Large range here. Working to your maximal potential, whatever that may be today, you work for it. You stay in it. You stay dedicated, you finish it off. Press, lower, reach, down, push, drop those shoulders down the back, reach, elongate, down, push, moving right along. We've got a front lunge into a pec fly press, down, lift. So frame out your front knee, then draw your knee into your chest. So we're working through the legs, but also you're gonna feel a lot of work running through those shoulders. Lift, down, pull it up. So frame out your knee and then lift. Don't push too much forward. You want to stay in alignment here. Lift. Are you starting to feel those shoulders really burn about now? Press. Inhale. Exhale. Lower. Sweep and press. In and lift. Drive the knee high into the chest. Reach. Last one. We take it to the opposite side. This time, let's bend through those elbows. Lower. Lift. Bend through elbows. So we're now taking that bent side delt raise. Push. Inhale. Exhale. Sculpting those beautiful arms as we take our leg movement as well. So those compound movements are super effective. Fat burning exercises today. Total body working here. I love compound movements. They are so great for the body. Torching calories, incinerating that fat. Down, press, lower. Reach and press. Try to press your shoulders down and away. One, last one. Bring it in. I'm gonna grab 10-pound weights. You can go lighter if you wish. So from here, lower it down, knee lift, deep squat, press it up, get low. How low can you go? But make sure you're not going beyond those knees. So I don't want you to go beyond those knees. Press, parallel to the earth, lift it, down. So it's gonna start to feel heavy. If you need to modify with that lighter resistance, go ahead, take that lighter resistance. Bring it down, lift it up, stay with me. You are strong enough to get through this. I believe in you. Down and press. Lower with control. Then scoop the belly in as you drive the knee high into the chest. Lower, lift, down, and press. I'm gonna load my weight at the shoulders, grabbing gently to the front of the dumbbell. Squat, side leg lift, down, push. Now that femur bone is forward. Lower, lift, take it down. Squeeze the tush to the top. The outer thigh is working here. Lower body. So this is a lot of lower body focus. Down, squeeze and lift. Take it down, lift it up. Pointing toe tips and thigh bone forward. Try not to hike your hip. So it's more about squeezing through the leg, the intentional movement behind each exercise. Breathe through it. Starting to sweat here. Down. Exhale, lift. Take it down. Exhale. Last one and breathe. All right, guys, we now have our Renegade Row. Find your plank, drop your shoulders down the back, deep breath, inhale, exhale, lift and press. We're rowing elbow up to the ceiling. Careful of your hips. Try not to windshield wiper your hips. Lift and lower. So stay stabilized within the pelvis, nice strong core. And again, guys, you can always modify this without any weights or maybe less into an 8-pound dumbbell or even lighter. Press. This gives you a nice strong support on that wrist. Lift and lower. Lift, lower, lift, lower. Scoop belly in. Drop that shoulder down the back. Avoid that twist in the pelvis. Stay strong with it. Long spine as you gaze gently, gently forward here. Exhale, reach, lift it, lower it, lift. One last one. We take it now into our core work. I'm gonna grab a 5-pound dumbbell. So I find a C curve position. Scoop into your twisting rows here. Squeeze. So we row, scoop it out, hollowing out the abdominal cavity. Sweep, press, lift. If you want to advance this, you could always lift your legs into a tabletop position, or if you have tight hips, you can always keep those heels down like I'm demonstrating here. Squeeze, press, or lifting up through those legs. Twist, press, twist, press, scoop it out. I want you to drive your elbow up and around. Press, exhale. Stay with it, carving out that gorgeous core here. Strong cores, press. You have 8, 7, 6, in 5, in 4, 3, 2, last one. Set it down, take a deep breath, inhale, and then exhale over your legs, holding here. Drop those shoulders firmly down the back. Inhale, exhale out.